Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to color grade like a pro in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then, select the video you want to color grade and add it to the timeline. Then, go to Filters. Then, search for Orange-Blue filter. Then, simply tap on it. Then, start tweaking these settings for a warm look. After adjusting those settings, you are ready to go. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.